To remove and install the battery on your RZR XP1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Turn the key switch to the off position and remove the key. Pull up on the driver's seat lever and pivot forward to remove the seat. Loosen the black negative battery cable clamp first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Then remove the red positive battery cable clamp. Set the cable aside. Cut the panduit strap retaining the battery cables to the hold-down clamp. Remove the battery hold-down fastener. Twist the battery hold-down clamp and lift up to remove. Lift the battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the battery maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Place the battery in the vehicle. Install the battery hold-down bracket and fastener. Torque to specification. Install the red positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Install the black negative cable last and torque to specification. Install a new panduit strap into the battery cable holder and tighten down over the white tape on the cable. Verify the battery cables are tightened securely. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down on the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.